hindi pa pala ano.
Continue for 42 kilometers.
Malayo pa pare, doon pa yung bayaran. Kala ko ano na eh. Today, December 16, Wednesday. The first client actually here from Batangas City. This client, Mr. Sean Campbell from Canada, with a brand new MGZS. So the rear camera installed inside. And that's the monitor. Very nice. And professional home service installation by All About That. It's also powered by a Lenovo power box. No more old school 12-volt socket or a cigarette lighter power supply. Here in the brand new MGZS. Alright, with the first client today, imagine here in Batangas City. It's a long driving here with the brand new MGZS, and here's Mr. Sean Campbell. Actually, Mr. Sean Campbell is from Canada. We did the installation already, it's done. And Sir Sean, what do you think about this dash cam we installed in your brand new vehicle?
I think the Lenovo Dashcam is exactly what it was as advertised, with all the functionality you could ever need. And the All About Hype team here has showed up on time, which isn't typical. Sorry to say, everybody, but showed up on time, kept me in the loop as to when he's arriving. Arrived early morning as well, 7:45 a.m. And they're already done just a few hours later with a perfectly clean install. Everything is tested and working, and highly recommended.
Thank you. You mentioned about the time. Why, Mr. Sean, you experience a lot of what do you call this? You deal a lot of people and they didn't show on time, like being unprofessional.
Yeah, like not meeting expectations. So everybody knows expectation versus reality. Here, when it comes to the culture, it's a little bit running late all the time, and it's acceptable. It's
how many person you deal with that kind of unprofessional?
Well, I've only lived here since July, and at least 8 or 9 people who told me they were arriving early in the morning, didn't show up till late in the afternoon. So when people do that, I'm always really impressed. So thank you.
So imagine for all of the viewers, how many people is that? Okay, that is bad. Okay, that is bad.
Yeah.
So but what we're doing, we deal with the clients. We gave them the schedule, we gave them the time, and that's what we're going to do it. We're going to be on time. If we're going to be really late, like a few minutes, we're going to update the client. So that's what we're doing here in All About That. Again, thank you so much, Mr. Sean.
Thank you, Paul.
And actually, from time to time, we have clients or customers here in Batangas City. And that's how far we're doing, the home service installation.
Yeah.
For the viewers, thank you so much. Bye-bye. Alright, so itong second client for today. So second client hapon na, grabe. Yun, sa mga viewers, December 16 Wednesday installation. Yun na nakita nyo kanina, our first client was located in Batangas City. So yung calculation ng time, it turned out really bad for today. Grabe, heavy traffic. We left Batangas City at almost 11 o'clock. So I was thinking it will be like 2.5 hours traveling going dito sa client located here in Calzada, Tipas, Taguig City. Pero naging 4.5 hours yung traveling. Sobrang traffic sa SLEX. All of the road, traffic talaga approaching Muntinlupa SLEX part. So nag-service road ako then all the way hanggang sa na-reach ko yung C6. Very unique, nakaka-interesting tong C6 na to. Ito, I think probably ito yung road sa Metro Manila na wala talagang traffic, So, yeah, nag-arrive kami almost 3:45 PM dito sa second client pa lang dito sa Calzada, Tipas, Taguig City with the brand new Toyota Innova. And I remember there's so many actually marami ng client ngayon na especially those foreigners non Tagalog speaking, nagre-request sila na if I can put a subtitle or if I can speak English sa mga video or yung mga vlog na ginagawa ko, because some of them want to understand what I'm trying to say. So yeah, especially the last foreigner I encountered kanina umaga, yan itong first client kanina sa Batangas City, si Mr. Sean Campbell. I think he's watching right now. So how many people already suggesting if I can speak English, so at least they can understand what I'm trying to say or what I'm saying in my video posts or those blog that I'm doing in the Facebook, especially the YouTube. Well, I was when I'm driving, I was thinking that actually I already planned this before. Whenever I post a video, of course in my native language, Tagalog, maybe I will put a time or give a time that putting a subtitle in my YouTube. But at the end, didn't have enough time to do that. So I was thinking when I'm driving here going to Taguig City, why not starting it already? Okay. So what I'm gonna do right now, I will do my best. It's not going to be perfect, of course. It's not my mother tongue. I will start speaking English in most of my blog right now. Not just of course Filipinos will understand that, but it really a lot of help, for those foreigners and non-Tagalog speaking will understand what I'm saying. So I think it's a good start. So again, especially I think Mr. Sean Campbell is watching right now. Mr. Sean, when we left Batangas City almost 11 o'clock, I was thinking it will be like 2.5 hours driving going to our second client here in Taguig City, but it turns out 4.5 hours. So it's really the traffic right now is really crazy. Of course we understand because it's going to be a Christmas in a few days, so that will be expected every goddamn day here in Metro Manila, especially driving rush hour during weekdays. It's going to be really terrible. So I have to talk to the third client, which is located in Pulilan, Bulacan. So right now it's past 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think we won't be able to visit the client in Pulilan, Bulacan right now. So we might visit him for the installation probably on Sunday. That's December 20, Sunday, our big Sunday installation. So all right, so that's it. After this, we need to go home. And thank you for all of the thank you for the two clients which is the first one is Mr. Sean Campbell from Batangas City. Second client, Mr. Jayvee here from Calzada, Tipas, Taguig City. Bye-bye.